My name is Ndagire, and maybe just to tell you about my background, I hold a bachelor's degree in business administration, where I specialized in accounting and finance. So just to take you through maybe my professional career, I started as a sales manager at International. Like any person who has just graduated, you're looking to get an income that sustains you really, and you're not looking at professional growth. So I then transitioned to Ndagire Limited as a stores manager, where I was responsible for managing inventory, issuing of goods, and when it reached the second year, I saw the role not giving me what I exactly wanted, because I was at a stage where I was looking at professional growth. And I remember I asked myself a question: is this where I want to be? Is this where I want to be in the long run? And being honest, it was an honest no. Joining GPAP was an eye-opening experience. I was at a place, like I had said earlier, where I needed professional growth. So like anyone, scroll through LinkedIn and finally get selected to be part of the program. And it was a 6-month program that was divided into two, the 3 months of extensive learning, where I was exposed to attending some events that were helping me to understand more what happens in finance. If I'm to talk about an event that happened at Piato Restaurant, where it was about how to apply the theoretical knowledge into the real world application. So I should say those events were really eye-opening to help one who is ready to go into the work experience to understand what the needs that they are supposed to do as an accountant, and also maybe to take you through the other thing that I can talk about is you are exposed to certain soft skills that are needed in a workplace, as being able to communicate effectively with others. So the program teaches you to be a leader. That is one. Something that stands out for me, because the activities that are engaging with the program show you how you must maybe treat others with respect, maybe show you how you should coordinate with others, and you are communicating effectively without people backbiting or doing this and that. It showed me some of the skills, for example, the systems that I'm supposed to use while maybe accounting for certain transactions. So looking at these systems that help you maybe doing financial recording, helping you in documentation, and something that I can also say that it's amazing how these systems help you do the reports at the end of it all. You do the transactions, but they help you do all this. So professionally, I should say the program has taught me certain technical skills that are needed for an accountant to have. And also the mentorship that we receive helps you and guides you to do certain things. For example, as well, I would also say that it also taught me how to be able to do transactions maybe with URA, something that accountants have a high challenge in. So professionally, I would say the program has taught me a lot when it comes to technical skills professionally. These challenges of not getting jobs, yet I was applying for them, and the experience I've got through the program, like I'd say I'm able to do financial reporting, doing financial analysis, doing financial presentations, being able to write management reports. So all these things I'm confident in. I'll not say I'll know how to do this, because this is something that most accountants say during interviews, but I would love to just deliver on what I am able to do, like showing me your financial reports maybe, and then I'm able to analyze where the loss is coming from. So some things like these help me to feel that I am capable of being competitive in the job market if given the opportunity. And yes, I am able to deliver the things that I will mention, like being able to do financial reports, being able to do financial analysis for the company. I'm able to do expense tracking, being able to do reconciliations every month, that by 50th every month I'm able to meet the deadlines of reconciling my books of accounts. I'm also able to post all financial transactions that are needed for me to do on a daily basis. And yes, I believe if I'm also given other tasks as assigned by maybe the supervisor, I'm also able to deliver or as expected and while meeting the deadlines. So for a company that doesn't use an accounting system, maybe introducing one so that transactions can be easily traced and tracked, because you find that some manual records are lost. So I believe if given an opportunity to work for a company, I'm able to deliver as expected. The program is genuinely and fully practical, with mentors that are being assigned to you, who give you assignments that you're supposed to work on and you're supposed to deliver as instructed. You're guided on these assignments, and if need be, they help you if you've done something wrong. So it is fully practical, and when you compare with other programs, really it's like a classroom, how you be in lectures and they're just talking stuff, nothing that you're working on, and yeah, that is the end of the session. Personally, how it has shaped me is getting to understand how to collaborate with others, to understand what the other person likes and what they don't like, getting to understand what moves the other person and what doesn't move this person. So how it has shaped me is the activities bring leadership skills upon myself. Yes, the program is ideal for students who have graduated, because you don't have experience and you're going to go out there and the first thing that they'll ask you is, do you have experience in this? Number two maybe that I can talk about is people who want to maybe change in their career. Maybe you're doing HR and you want to switch to accounting, to maybe get understanding in what accounting and finance is. Then someone who is already in the field of accounting, but they're in an organization which doesn't provide professional growth. So I think the program is ideal for such people. So one outstanding thing is the ability to be able to solve problems. And with that, how it has helped me is, let's say I'm facing a challenge maybe in my department. How am I able to tackle this solution? And giving examples of, there was a time maybe I was facing a challenge with my system and it wasn't working, but there was an alternative of doing this in another system, where this system doesn't have maybe issues with using internet and all that. So the ability to be a problem solver as an accountant is very critical, and this program has provided me with those skills that have helped me in my department.